guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the Fun Way Tree Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for the next couple of weeks, I'll actually be doing the translations indoors because it's actually cold outside. And for this week, we have 3 translations from 3 different people. And the first person that actually needed me to translate something was Jewel. Jewel, thanks again for your continued support. So what Jewel wanted to know was, what is lost or lose in Tree? Lost or lose is yira in Tree, right? So if one wants to say, I've lost my keys, in Tree, they would say, Maira misafwa. Maira misafwa, which is basically, I've lost my key, right? So lose or lost is yira. And the next person that wanted me to translate something was Afare. Afare, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Afare wanted to know. The first thing that Afare wanted to know was, did he tell you the reason why? Now that in Tree can be said as Oka name tia. Again, Oka name tia. And the second thing that Afare wanted to know was, why isn't he going? Which to me was a bit funny because it's almost as if somebody coming to visit you and you're wondering why they're not leaving, right? So that in Tree can be said as Aden tina onko. Again, Aden tina onko. And the third thing that Afare wanted to know was, I haven't done it yet. In Tree is minya nyei. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, why didn't you do it? Now in Tree, that can be said as adenti nawanye. Adenti nawanye. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, the store will close soon. Now that in Tree can be said as, Wobeto suto o aditombianumu sesia. Wobeto suto o aditombianumu sesia. Or you can also say, Enche wobeto suto o aditombianumu. Again, Enche wobeto suto o aditombianumu. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, we have to hurry up before the store closes. And that in Tree can be said as, Ewo se yeyen intem, ansa watu suto o aditombianumu. Again, Ewo se yeyen intem, ansa watu suto o aditombianumu. That again can also be said as, Ewo se ye kaya hu na wantu suto o aditombianumu. Again, Ewo se ye kaya hu na wantu suto o aditombianumu. Now the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, he doesn't want us to come in. So basically you want to go visit a friend and a friend is refusing to let you in, right? So that in Tree can be said as, Ompese ye beuremu. Ompese ye beuremu. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, come inside the house. So basically you're in the house and inviting somebody in, right? So come inside the house in Tree can be said as bra fienumu. Again, bra fienumu. Thanks again, Afare. Your continued support is really, really appreciated, right? And the last person that wanted something translated is a very close friend of mine. And she sent me a video asking me things that she wanted to know. So Annalisa, thank you very much for sending through your video. So we can actually watch the video together. Then what will happen is I'll actually answer the questions that she needed answered, right? So thank you, Annalisa, for your support. I really, really appreciate it. So this is what Annalisa wanted to know. Let's watch.
2 questions for you. One, I'd like to know, how do you say, I'm going shopping to buy handbags and shoes?
So she wanted to know how to say, I'm going shopping to buy handbags and shoes, right? Now, as I said, some of the words in Tree are borrowed from English, right? So for an example, bags, we have baggy, right? Bags is baggy in Tree, right? That's the most commonly used word for bag in Tree, right? So now the sentence that she wanted would be, Merekosu to o aditombiamu akoto bag nimpabwa. Again, Merekosu to o aditombiamu akoto bag nimpabwa. And let's watch the second thing that she wanted to find out.
And then the second one is, are there any idioms or proverbs in Tree that you can teach us? Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so the second thing is she wanted to know if there are any idioms or proverbs in Tree that I can teach, right? So the first thing is, what is an idiom in Tree, right? An idiom is kasakwa, right? If somebody says kasa, if I walk up to somebody and I say kasa, basically I'm saying speak, right? Now, kasa also can mean a language, right? If somebody comes and says kasa benauka, which means which language do you speak, right? Kwa is basically something that's bent. So if I say makwa dadieno, kwa is actually bent. So if I say makwa dadieno, that dadia is metal, any metal, right? So if I say makwa dadieno, that means I've bent the metal, right? So roughly translated, kasakwa is basically bending a language or bending the way one speaks, which is literally, well, indirectly, I'm trying to say whatever I'm saying won't be straight, but it actually means something else. So whatever you're saying won't be direct. There's actually a meaning behind it, right? So kasapwa, right? So that's idiom in Chi. Then proverb is actually ebe or be, right? So now for the examples or for the stuff that I can teach, there are two things that I can say for each of those, right? So let's start with the first one. I'll start with idioms and I'll go to proverbs, right? So let's start with the first two idioms, and what I'll do is I'll say what the idiom is in Tree, what the literal meaning is in English, and what the actual meaning is in English as well, right? So the first one is abawomu. So imagine yourself speaking to somebody in Chi, then the person says abawomu. Literally translated into English, abawomu is there is seed in it, right? Now, the meaning behind it, or the actual meaning, is whatever you're saying makes sense, or there's a deep meaning behind whatever you're trying to say. And the second idiom that I'm going to touch is bekawano, right? So in English, literally translated, bekawano is come and touch your mouth. Beka is come and touch. Anu is mouth, right? So come and touch your mouth. But the actual meaning for that idiom in Chi, right, is in a situation where I'm eating, right? Let's say I'm eating rice or fufu or whatever I'm eating, or ampesi. Then you're passing. Then I'm like, hey, bekawano. That means come and taste or come and have some of the food that I'm eating. So now for proverbs, right? So there are two proverbs that I just want to touch on, which in Tree is ebe or be, right? So now I'll actually say what the proverb is in Tree, say the literal translation in English, and say the meaning of the proverb, right? So the first proverb is okoto ngu anoma. So koto is crab, ngu is basically give birth, then anoma is bird, right? So the English translation, the literal translation of okoto ngu anoma is a crab does not give birth to a bird. A crab does not give birth to a bird, right? And the actual meaning of this proverb is it's to acknowledge the resemblance between a child and their parent, right? So basically, when somebody sees a parent that looks like a child, or a child that actually resembles a parent, they would say okoto nwanuma, identifying or acknowledging the resemblance between the parent and the child, right? In English, an example would be the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, something like that, right? And the second proverb is wufru duapa nie piao. Wufru duapa na ye piao. Now that in English literally translated is, it is when you climb a good tree that we push you. It is when you climb a good tree that we push you. And the meaning for that is, we, the society or elders or family, only support you when you do good things. So basically what they're trying to say is, whenever somebody's doing something good, that's when people actually support them. Annalisa, thanks again for sending through your video. I really, really appreciate it. Afare, thanks again. Jewel, thanks again. I just want to say thanks to my new subscribers. You guys are great. Thanks for loving the content enough to actually subscribing to it. My old subscribers, you guys are awesome as usual. Guys, as I said, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, right? So please keep on spreading the word. We are gradually moving up. let anyone who wants to learn Tree or find out what Tree is about actually come to the channel. Hopefully they go through it. Hopefully the content of the channel actually touches them. Then they'll actually subscribe. I would really appreciate that. The other thing is coronavirus. It's not about you. It's about other person. So please protect yourself so other people will be safe. Tree Junior Pro app, guys. Please download the Tree Junior Pro app. With that and these lessons, you learn the language quicker. Then guys, please, if you like the content, if you go through the content and enjoy it, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. Guys, with lots of love, I hope to see you again next week. Bye.